So for those of you who are asking me to explain what a breakaway gap is, let me try to show you what a breakaway gap is and how to identify it. Now, you know what a fair value gap is. A fair value gap is basically the gap you find when you have a 3-candle price action. This is 1, 2, 3 candles. Now, there is a gap in between these 3 candles, and that is going to be found in the middle of this area. Can you see? This middle, this is your fair value gap, right? But then when it comes to identifying a breakaway gap and a non-breakaway gap, it's all about the momentum in that particular fair value gap formation. Momentum simply means the power, the energy. So look at this particular one. We have 1, 2, 3 candles, and we have a fair value gap. That is to say, we have this guy. This is the fair value gap. The middle of the fair value gap is called the consequent encroachment. Now, we can see that the third candle of this fair value gap has some energy, thereby closing above the high of the second candle. This is the highest level the second candle went to, that is the wick. And if this guy, that is the third candle, is closing above it, that means we have a breakaway gap. Breakaway gap simply means the energy in that particular fair value gap formation. So when we have something like this, it means that the current price movement is strong. But then when we have a price action like this, let me show you. You have 1, 2, 3. For example, this one, 1, 2, 3. Can you see that the third candle failed to close above the second candle, the high of the second candle? Can you see it? This one, 1, counting from here, 2, 3. And what do you see after that? Price couldn't close above this guy. So this is a non-breakaway gap. A non-breakaway gap in the sense that we would see that this is telling us that there is a less energy. And this is where it becomes interesting. Every time you see a non-breakaway gap, most of the time, at least let's say 70 to 80%, you're going to see price coming to fill up the fair value gap almost immediately. Can you see? That price is coming back to mitigate the fair value gap almost immediately. That's to say price came back. Do you see a small fair value gap here? This is a breakaway gap. Why? Because this third candle closed above this one, and hence we didn't see price come down. Now you can see that we have another one right here. Price created something like this. Din, din, din. We have 1, 2, 3, counting with this guy. You have a non-breakaway gap here. You see. What do you see? Price coming back to fill it up. Most of the time that you will see a non-breakaway gap, you will see price coming back to fill it up. Almost